Okay, welcome back. We're going to have a go at animating these now. So I've just got two birds. You will have done the whole lot. So it's very important that you say window. Make sure actually in Photoshop, window and workspace motion. And you should get something that looks a little bit like this down the bottom, which is your timeline. So I'm just going to get rid of my history. So there's my two birds. They are actually on separate layers. So obviously they need to be on top of each other, or at least closer to each other. So I'm going to just move them here, because if the bird was still, obviously it would just be there and it'd be flapping its wings, yeah? And I'll show you what I mean by that. So I'm just going to overlay that like that for now, and then I'm going to turn off that layer, so you're just left with that image, and then I'm going to put create frame animation, which you should be able to do already, but don't worry if you can't, you can still do it in part of this workshop. So that's your first frame, and then I'm going to add in a new one, and I'm going to turn on that layer, and then I'm going to turn off that layer. Yeah, so you literally you're turning on and off the layers to animate with. So then I turn that one off, and create a new frame, and that then creates a frame of what's on the screen. And then I turn on the other way around and do it like that. Now in theory that should now flap its wings. It's very, very quick, but can you see that moving along the bottom, you're starting to get that bird flapping its wings, and I'm just going to keep repeating that process. Really, really simple, but really quite nice. So you just keep flipping it around. Now obviously you could do more stages of that bird in flight, and I've messed up there, so if you messed up you can just press Command Z and go back. I'm rushing slightly, so we'll just have another go, and it's flapping its wings. So have a go at that, and then you can watch the next one, which is how to export an animated GIF, because actually this is an animated GIF.